We've learned that the question dissection strategy helps pull together the information needed to build a successful test answer. Once you're set up, question dissection has 5 steps: read, identify, list, organize, and write. Following this Techtorial, you will be able to use a text-to-speech app, use annotation tools to highlight important information, collect highlights into a Google Doc, and use numbered lists to create an outline. Now let's connect the tech. You will need a text-to-speech and word processing app. In this Techtorial, we are using Read and Write for Google and Google Docs. It's time to set up for success. From the app launcher, select Google Docs. Open an existing document containing a test question, or create a new document and cut and paste a question. Now that we are set up, let's give it a try. Read. Read the question carefully. Pull down the Read and Write toolbar. To listen, highlight the question and select Play.
Using all the parts listed, describe the process of building a model airplane: 1 fuselage, 2 wings, 2 engines, 1 tail.
Quick tip: listen or read the question more than once to improve your understanding. Identify. Identify important information. From the Read and Write toolbar, choose the yellow highlight tool to pull out the precise topic you are asked to write about. Use the next highlight tool to emphasize what you are being asked to do. The third highlighter can identify any numbers that are important. Finally, look for any information that might be helpful regarding how to organize your answer and highlight that using the remaining tool. List. Choose Collect Highlights. Select OK, and a document will open in a new window. Organize. Begin to organize your answer. From the main toolbar, choose Styles and Title to take advantage of automatic formatting. Select Keywords and choose Dictionary from the Read and Write toolbar if you need to confirm your understanding. Use a numbered list to build an outline for your answer. Using a word processing app allows you the flexibility to move or add sections as you plan your answer. Let's review. The question dissection strategy has 5 steps: read, identify, list, organize, and write.